खर्द के पास खबर के सिवा कुछ नहीं, तेरा इलाज नजर के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं, खर्द के पास खबर के सिवा कुछ नहीं, तेरा इलाज नजर के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं. Dear viewers, today my content is about Iqbal's poetry, how explanations and how Iqbal's use. He says that there is our thinking's process, and just like we use to mobiles and there's different thinkings, our perceptions comes to, and our hearts also want to desires. Iqbal says that it's not both the minds. He do not like to his minds just like to occult. Please first of all to these video scenes to subscribe my YouTube channels, also your friends, all the viewers, so that you can take to all information with me. And Iqbal says that our mind is just like to thinkings and different process and come to different ideas, just like to we used to all men, women, females used to these mobiles, because it's when it's come to in our mind different perceptions, and it's gets attentions, because the our minds words universe is different. This is going to different our minds, different cells want to different messages, and this way Iqbal said this, and yours eyes is a contact, eyes just like to law is started, and eyes reactions is to our desires depend upon our hearts. And Iqbal says that hearts depend upon your law, and your law depend upon how you to attend, how your desires and how you attend to others. The hearts, Iqbal's do not want to occult our minds. He want to that's hearts, and hearts people's who great attendant. इकबाल कहते हैं कि दिल वाले लोग मुझे पसंद हैं, तो दिल वाले जो है सूफी वली, he says that's the hearts people's just like to सूफी वली, and who's great lovers and romance, जो मोहब्बत सही सच्ची करने वाले, उनके इस जो सच्ची तड़प है वहाँ पे जो है आपकी तड़प होगी. नॉट ओनली टू माइंडेड पीपल, जो अकल के गुलाम हैं, जितने कितने जो फिलासफर हैं अकल, वो यहाँ पर उसका ये फिलॉसफी है. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स, एंड टुडे दीज इंफॉर्मेशंस एंड वेयर्स द बैलेंस, चेक एंड बैलेंस योर माइंड्स, जो मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स हु आर यूजिंग टू मोबाइल्स इन दिस scenery, where your mind is going to different levels, upper levels to your minds, both kind of, ये दो पर्दे हैं, एक पर्दे में आपका अकल है, दूसरे में दिल है, तो दोनों को में अंदर बैलेंस, keeps balance to hearts and minds both. Once your heart is much desires, it is not good, and once your mind is much going to perceptions, ideas, to thinkings, it's not, because it's creates tensions. It's a great lesson for both to check and balance, and so this way society we should also relatives and all men's and maintain to relatives, and all today to is this informations. Think for thinkings different poet of forces. Iqbal says खल के सिवा खबर के सिवा कुछ नहीं, तेरा इलाज नजर के सिवा कुछ नहीं. I think this books of Zarb Kalim's other poet, उसका जो दूसरा शेर है others, मौज है दरिया में फर्द कायम मिलत के सिवा कुछ नहीं, फर्द कायम राब्ता है हयात के सिवा कुछ नहीं। मौज है दरिया में और बैरून दरिया कुछ भी नहीं। बड़ा करीम है इकबाल नवा, लेकिन अताए शोले शरर के सिवा कुछ नहीं। Please subscribe and this kind of video for we can give to comments, and thank for watching. Thank you.